Dear students of class 9 Business Studies English Medium Morning Shift, I am Mohammad Khan. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In the previous class, I discussed about the techniques of capital budgeting. There are 4 techniques of capital budgeting: accounting rate of return or ARR, payback period or PBP, net present value or NPV, internal rate of return or IRR. In that class, I discussed about the accounting rate of return and gave you a homework. I hope that you have done the homework sincerely. Today, I would like to discuss about the payback period method. The payback period is one of the most popular and widely recognized traditional method of evaluating investment proposals or long-term investment decision. It gives the answer about after how long invested capital will come back. The payback period is the amount of time required for the firm to recover its initial investment in project as calculated from cash inflows. So it is clear to say that the payback period is defined as the number of years required to recover the original cash outflow invested in a project. I have given a definition of payback period in the sheet. You can memorize this definition. Now I would like to discuss about the decision rules of payback period. In payback time method, the lower the recovery time or payback time, the more it is attractive project for investment. Oppositely, larger payback time indicates more riskiness of the project. Again, if many alternative projects are available for the company, then those projects are arranged in ascending or descending order. After that, most attractive projects are selected depending on the financial capability of the company and remaining are rejected. As a ranking method, it gives highest ranking to the project which has the shortest or lowest PBP and lowest ranking to the project with highest PBP. In many times, management authority of the company specified their expected payback time as a measurement scale. It is specified by the management authority by considering the different factors like nature of project, risk of the project. In this case, if the management authority of the company specified maximum payback period, in that case, if the calculated or actual payback period is lower than the maximum payback period specified by the management authority of the company, then project will be accepted. And if the calculated or actual payback period is higher or greater than the maximum specified payback period defined by the management authority of the company, then project will be rejected. Decision rules of payback period I have mentioned in the sheet. Now I would like to discuss about the calculation of payback period or PBP. PBP is calculated in two ways: annuity or equal cash inflow. Annuity means equal amount of money receives or payment after a particular period of time. If the project generates constant annual cash inflows, the PBP can be computed or calculated by dividing initial investment by the annual or yearly cash inflow. In case of this, payback period equal to initial investment divided by yearly cash inflow. Next, mixed stream of cash inflows or unequal cash inflow. In case of unequal cash inflows, the PBP can be found out by adding up to cash inflows until the total is equal to the initial investment. For a mixed stream of cash inflows, the yearly cash inflows must be accumulated until initial investment is recovered. In case of mixed stream of cash inflows project, if any project generates different amount of cash inflows in different year, in that case PBP can be calculated by another formula I have mentioned in the sheet. Formula: in case of mixed stream, the payback period equal to A plus NCO minus C divided by D. Here A equal to the year in which cumulative cash inflow is nearer or equal to initial investment or cash outflow. NCO means net cash outflow or initial investment. C, cumulative cash inflow of the year. That means cumulative cash inflow of the year of A. Cash inflow D, cash inflow of the recovery year or cash inflow of the next year of A. Example 1. Rupsa Company Limited has invested taka 1 lakh in a project. If the expected cash inflows from the project are taka 2 lakh per year, what is the payback period of the project? Here it is seen that annuity or equal cash flow project is mentioned, since each and every year equal amount of money receives from the project. So in this case PBP can be calculated initial investment divided by yearly cash inflow. Another example, Podda Textile Limited has invested Taka 8 lakh in a project. If the expected cash inflows from the project are Taka 1 lakh, Taka 2,20,000, Taka 2,50,000, Taka 3,50,000, and Taka 2 lakh per year respectively, what is the payback period of the project? In this case, example 2, unequal cash inflow or mixed stream of cash inflows. There is second formula will be applied to calculate payback period, as the different cash flows occurs from the project in different year. So in this case, we have to calculate cumulative cash inflow. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cash inflow is given. In this case, we have to calculate cumulative cash inflow. In first year, cash inflow Taka 1 lakh. So cumulative cash inflow is Taka 1 lakh. In second year, cash inflow Taka 2,20,000. In this case, we have to add with Taka 1 lakh. That is second year cash inflow must be added with Taka 1 lakh to calculate the cumulative cash inflow of second year. The same way, second year cumulative cash inflow must be added with third year cash inflow. Then we can find third year cumulative cash inflow. Then third year cumulative cash inflow must be added with the fourth year cash inflow. Then we can find out the cumulative cash inflow fourth year, and fourth year cumulative cash inflow must be added with fifth year cash inflow, and in this case we can get the fifth year cumulative cash inflow. Here A plus NCO minus C divided by D. A means the year in which cumulative cash inflow is nearer or equal to initial investment. Here initial investment Taka 8 lakh. So in third year, cumulative cash inflow is nearer to initial investment or cash outflow. Can we take second year? No. Second year cumulative cash inflow 3,20,000 is not nearer to 8 lakh. And can we take fourth year? No. Fourth year cumulative cash inflow is Taka 9,20,000, which is above than 8 lakh. So A will be 3 year. And NCO means net cash outflow 8 lakh minus 5,70,000, that is cumulative cash inflow of the 3 year. Next D, that is 3,50,000 cash inflow of the recovery year. That means in third year we have received Taka 5,70,000 from the project, and remaining portion, that is 2,30,000, will be recovered in the fourth year. That is, fourth year we are getting taka 3,50,000 from the project, but we require taka 2,30,000. So 2,30,000 will be divided by 3,50,000. So the payback period is 3.66 years. Now I'd like to give some important MCQ from this chapter. And I have also given you a homework of creative questions. One creative questions. The owner of Green Enterprise is thinking to invest taka 4 lakh in long-term project. In this regard, he gets of the following information of 5 years by analyzing two projects named Kushiara and Konofuli. Name of project: Kushiara, cash inflow 2021 taka 1,50,000, 2022 taka 1,80,000, 2023 taka 1 lakh, 2024 1,75,000, 2025 taka 1,40,000. Konofuli project: 2021 cash inflow 2,20,000, 2022 cash inflow 1,90,000, 2023 cash inflow taka 1,10,000, 2024 taka cash inflow taka 1,05,000, 2025 cash inflow taka 1,20,000. Question number A: what is cash inflow? Question number B: what is the key to success of finance? Question number C: calculate the payback period of Kushiara project stated in the STEM. Question number D: which project should Green Enterprise take for long-term investment? Answer logically. And dear students, in case of calculation of payback period, the most important fact is that you have to have cash inflow. So if the cash inflow is given directly in application, then definitely you can easily find out the payback period by applying formula. So if the payback period, in case of payback period, if the cash inflow is not directly mentioned, then what is given in the application? It is the most important aspects. And if cash inflow is not mentioned, then you have to find out the cash inflow. How can we find out the cash inflow. Cash inflow can be found out by adding depreciation with net profit. That means if we add depreciation with net profit, then we can get cash inflow, because depreciation is non-cash expense. When we calculate net profit, basically depreciation is deducted, but actually cash does not disburse. That's why for calculating cash inflow, we need to add depreciation with net profit. This is the prime consideration of payback period. Basically, you have to have cash inflow. So I think you have all understood the lecture, and you will do the homework, creative questions, and also solve the multiple choice questions. In the next class, I will discuss with another topic. Thank you very much.